Ooh, welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, guys, this is my black Cherokee, my 2017 Cherokee Latitude. Y'all see what I'm doing? I have the P0128 code, so my buddy had an extra one of these. Don't ask me how. All I know is it's Mopar and it was brand new and the box was sealed. Don't ask me how he got it. It's not my business. All I know is I need it, so I'm getting ready to put it on my car. Now, guys, the reason for this video, I want to show y'all. Keep in mind, let me say this again. This is my car. I do not recommend this on customer cars. Simply because the risk. All right, yes, there is a risk. All right, I do not, guys, for the life of me, feel like. Now, y'all know how hard these thermostats are on a 2.4 multi-air engine. It don't matter what it is, Cherokee, Dart, the Jeeps, it doesn't matter. They all a pain in the butt to get to, all because of this one bolt right here. Let me get this out. This is how this set. This bolt that go right here is a pain in the butt to get to. All right, so I do not feel like fighting with it. I'm sorry, I don't. So I meant to show y'all this before but it's too late. I already did what I was gonna do, but I'll show y'all what I did. Now, keep in mind what the goal is, guys. This thermostat housing is made of aluminum, okay? Now, also keep in mind, the cylinder head is semi-made of aluminum. It's aluminum also. So that's what makes this extremely risky. But again, it's my car, so I can take that risk. And it's not pretty much a risk. I'm saying it's risky because you guys can sometimes be reckless. Even I can sometimes be reckless. So I don't want you thinking this is okay. This is not. I do not want to. This is 2, 3, 4 hour job to some people. I'm be done in 30 or 40 minutes. Okay. Yes, I still have to go through all the losing some skin and get all this stuff off. But at the end of the day, the total job should not take me that long because I don't have that kind of time, and I don't feel like scratching up my hand and swivel this, swivel that. Guys, I have a video out doing this the right way. In fact, watch it right here. Okay. Now that's the way I did it on custom. That's the way I do it on customer cars. Now I also have a video out doing it strictly by the book. How the book tell you. I go over the procedures that the service manual tell you to use to gain access to this thermostat housing. All right. Now this way I'm doing it. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna link that right here. This way I'm doing is nowhere printed. In fact, it's it's reckless. That's the terminology for it. All right. Let me show you what I did. I already done it, but I'll show you anyway. Okay, remember, guys, the goal is to get this thermostat off at any cost. You have to in order to replace it, right? So I got the bolt right here off and the bracket bolt off. So what you do, or what I did, was simply wedge a pry bar right in here, like this, and just simply wiggle, 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 wiggle until it breaks. All right, once it breaks, it's your world. You can twist it and bend it and get to that bolt. Now you're still gonna have a problem getting the bolt on, and that's not even a problem at this point. My goal is to get it off. I can get it on easier than I can take it off. In other words, if I'm gonna fight with it, I might as well fight with it one time, not two. Why should I be delicate and careful taking something off that I'm gonna throw away? Like, it's okay to bust this up. It's okay to bang it. Like I say, the risk comes in also damaging this cylinder head. Could you imagine if you pry on this wrong and you strip this out right here? That's part of the head, guys. You will need a head at that point. So that's why I do not recommend this. But look at that. Now I'm finna just go and rip that all the way off and proceed with replacing this thermostat, guys. Oh man, the things we do to take not so much shortcut. And I know what kind of comments I'm gonna get in the comment section. Oh, you can't believe you do this. I can't believe you show. Oh my God, guys, some people are so sensitive. That's why in the very part of the beginning, I'm telling you, I do not recommend this. I might put a little warning up there, but it's something for somebody to watch that's contemplating doing it, that actually own the car that they're doing it on. All right, can you imagine if you're in a shop and you do this and the customer's like, I don't believe you replaced it. Where's my old one? And then you got to come back here in pieces and find an old one. I mean, they still ain't going. At that point, they just want to know that it was done. They don't, like I say, that's trash. You can't do nothing with that thermostat housing. The thermostat is built inside the housing. That's why you get one piece. So, but if you working in a shop and the customer want their old parts, then yeah, you doomed. So now what I'm gonna do is I gotta finish this job, guys. I got some new coolant. I'm gonna put it in it. I'm gonna burp it. I'm gonna go drive it. I'm gonna do everything I'm supposed to do, guys. I'm still waiting on authorization for. And you know what's weird? Now, when you get another engine or a long block, I have oil consumption problems. Okay, I'm in the middle of an oil consumption test. Strange thing about that is when I do get my block approved, which I'm speaking that into existence, it's gonna come with a new thermostat. But the wife don't want to. She don't want to ride around with a check engine light on, and no matter how much I turn it off, it popped. It must be stuck open. Okay, it must be really stuck. All right, for it to be setting that code right away like that. But I have work to do, guys. So what I'm gonna do is somebody PT Cruiser hating. I know y'all heard that. All right, let me finish ripping this off. I need both of my hands, guys. I just thought I'd share that with you. Don't try this at home, please. All right, don't, and please don't tell nobody JT said this is okay, because again, it's not. Now, I've seen a guy want to stick this in here. The goal is it's about leverage. So you put this in here and twist this again. You hoping the crack happen in the housing, not on the actual head. Okay, that's what you hoping. See, you can play with this. That thermostat housing and moving. Now you can get to all those bolts. What else I want to? It was something else. I'm gonna go ahead and service this 9-speed transmission. Drain and fill. I have some ZF. Where it at? Right here, guys. I have the good stuff. No Valvoline going in here, guys. I'm likely going. It's 6 quarts, so that's likely what's gonna come out, guys. Remember, it's all about what comes out. There's no set amount of fluid that go in a car. The proper way to do it, it's all about temperature, guys. So you measure the temperature, or you look at the temperature and you go back and check it. It's a kind of a timely procedure, but it's worth knowing. Okay, once you know the right way, then you can create your very own way on how you go by making sure it is properly filled after you drain it. Okay, because you can't do a service. You can, but the transmission have to come out in order to do a proper transmission service. If your definition of service is replacing the filter, that's because the filter is housed in a different part of the transmission. Watch this video right here. I go over what it takes to properly do a transmission service on a ZF 9-speed front wheel drive transmission. Of course, the transmission have to come out. All right, guys, I got work to do. Stay tuned. No, I'm done. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.